Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to search and install single or multiple apps all at once in Windows 10 or 11 running computer. So then for more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 computer. So if you're using a Windows 10, still the tricks will remain the same. So if you're using a Windows 11, then you can open the terminal application, and if you're using a Windows 10, then you can open the Windows PowerShell. So here I'm gonna use a Windows terminal, but the rest process will remain the same. So now here you need to type some command. Just type winget space search space. Now type the application name. So say I want to search VLC and hit enter. So now you can see here it will show all the VLC name applications. Here you can see. So I want to install this VLC media player. So you need to copy this app ID, just select it and just right mouse click on it. And now in order to install, you need to type winget space install space. Now just right mouse click and paste the app ID. Paste the app ID which we have copied just now, and after that just hit enter. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the application has been installed successfully, and now you can see the install application shortcut icon on my desktop screen appearing here. As you can see, we have installed this application successfully. So now if you want to install multiple apps all at once, you need to type winget space install space, just copy the app ID, just right mouse click on it to copy it, and just right mouse click to paste it here, and hit space again and put a semicolon and hit space again, and once again type winget space install space, and once again copy the app ID and just right mouse click to copy it and paste it here. And now after typing all the commands, you can just hit enter to install this applications at the same time. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily search and install single or multiple apps all at once in Windows 10 or 11 running computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.